what is sound? Sound travels 700 miles an hour. It is the collision of air molecules. So I would like to know what occurs on a molecular level when sound travels. So being able to write and compose music, understanding the physics of music is inevitable. It helps you embody music as a whole far more effectively. One of the phenomena in music is octaves. Why we hear octave? It turns out that we hear logarithmically, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So
phenomenon. I kind of wanted to know, you can illustrate three-dimensional forms on a two-dimensional surface, but you have to follow different laws. So I became infatuated with and this is what gives you the reference. It has to do with diagonal and horizontal lines. Diagonal and horizontal lines are used primarily on a two-dimensional surface to illustrate the three-dimensional optical illusion that